In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to check battery cycle count on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your settings. Now scroll down and head over to the option battery. Here you will see your current battery percentage and usage statistics. Scroll further down and tap battery health. This section shows whether your battery health is normal and displays your cycle count. For example, 36. You can tap learn more to understand what this number means. A cycle count represents every time your iPhone uses the equivalent of 100% of its battery capacity, not necessarily from one full charge. For example, using 50% of your battery one day and 50% the next equals one full cycle. You'll also see your maximum capacity, which reflects how much charge your battery can hold compared to when it was new. Most batteries level off around 85% after a few years, depending on usage. And that's all it takes to check your battery cycle count on iOS 26. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.